Welcome back to episode 2 of Cooking in English with me, AJ. Today is June 6th, and it's a Saturday, and it's quite cloudy outside. Today, I will be making avocado toast, spam musubi, Portuguese sausage, eggs, and rice. All of these foods, to me, are what we in America call comfort foods. So when the weather is cloudy, then these foods will give you a very warm feeling on the inside. To me, these are comfort foods because they are very nostalgic. Also, it's lunchtime. I will be making avocado toast. Avocado toast has become very popular in the US. For this avocado toast, you will need 2 avocados. This will make like 4 toasts. I usually make some and then I put it in the fridge for saving, and I eat it for breakfast and I eat it as a snack. I enjoy it a lot, and I hope you'll enjoy it too. So to make our avocado toast, you need a fork, a bowl, and a knife. How you know which avocado is a good one to use for avocado toast? If you squeeze it and your fingers go in just a little bit, it's good. Another way to tell is this, the stem. If you pop it off, pop, and it's green on the inside, perfect. So this one is good. This one, a little overripe. If it's brown, it's overripe, but that's okay. Cut the avocado in half, all the way to the seed, and then just roll it. And then twist. Perfect avocado. To take the seed out, whack it. Dig it in, and then there we go. For avocados, to scoop it out easily, I like to cut in lines down this way. So I like to cut all the way down like that, down like that, down like that, and maybe one more here. And then go the opposite direction. So this way, then this way, and boom, done. Then it makes it easier to put into the bowl. So you just take your fork and scoop it right through. They're already in cubes, so you don't have to cut them or anything. Here is what it's supposed to look like, all up in there. You need your spice. You can choose any spice packet you want. So you just sprinkle that all over, dump it right in, and then you mash. So squish, squish, squish. Oh, oh. I'll put this all back in there later. Okay, so smash. The reason you want a ripe avocado is so that it's easy to smush. This avocado is ripe, but it's still a little hard. But you just smash and smash and smash. So I have mostly smashed, but I still have pieces of avocado. If you want yours very smooth, then just keep mushing. It just depends on how you like it. If you want more strong flavors, then use one avocado. If this flavor is still too strong for you, with the one packet and 2 avocados, then add another avocado or add a half an avocado. I have my toast, I have my avocado spread, and some butter. So I'm going to, I like a lot of butter. So I'm going to take that. This is all preference. If you don't like butter on your toast, then you don't need it. Some avocado. And I'm just gonna spread that all over. Again, this is preference. If you like more avocado, then put more. If you like less avocado, then put less. Then, I'm so hungry. Oops. I couldn't stop myself. So good. We have a guest. Hi. This is Junko.
Hi, Junko.
And today is Sunday. Different outfit, new food to make.
New friend.
New friend. It's very sunny outside.
Beautiful.
Beautiful day. And today we will be making a very famous beach snack called spam musubi. Is there spam musubi in Japan?
I don't think so. We have musubi and spam.
Okay, so when we say musubi, what do you think of?
Musubi, we usually say onigiri, but I guess my grandma's age generation.
So it's older word?
I think so.
Oh, okay.
And it makes you have the image of actually making it, like
okay.
musubi.
Okay.
Musubu.
Musubi in Hawaii is a square.
Yeah, that's true.
It's a rectangle. Musubi in Japan is a triangle.
Triangle,
Usually.
yeah, true.
And when we say musubi, it's usually rice, some kind of meat on top, and then nori.
Yeah,
around.
with nori.
Yeah. So the most famous musubi in Hawaii is spam musubi.
Spam musubi, yeah.
7-Eleven in Hawaii sells spam musubi. They're
Good.
amazing.
Yeah.
They're the best. They're the
I
best
think so
ones.
too, yeah.
Perfect for going to the beach on a day like today.
But after swimming in the ocean and having the spam musubi, somehow it matches.
Yeah, it's a great combination.
I think so too. And I guess people use spam musubi, like the word musubi comes from Japan. And I think that's because many people immigrated to Hawaii.
And you lived in Hawaii for
Yes.
4 years total?
4 years, yeah.
How often did you buy?
Spam musubi.
Yeah.
Oh, you
How
know, there was
often?
food truck on UH campus. And they sold spam musubi, and I used to buy a lot.
A lot.
Like almost not every day, but few
Times a week.
Times a week, yeah.
Yeah.
I loved it.
We had my family whenever we went to church. After church we went to the beach, and then after the beach 7-Eleven, spam musubi and Slurpees.
Yeah.
Like ices. Perfect combination.
Many Japanese people would like spam musubi, the taste.
So we will be making spam musubi and also a famous breakfast in Hawaii called Portuguese sausage, eggs, and rice. Yes, I used to eat this in elementary school. And it's
Portuguese. People say Portuguese.
Portuguese. Yeah.
Not Portuguese.
Not Portuguese.
Portuguese.
Portuguese. So the real way to say Portuguese sausage, eggs, and rice. Yeah. Yeah, with the accent too, and the yeah.
Yeah.
So it's rice, Portuguese sausage, but because we cannot get Portuguese sausage in Japan very easily, we will be using dry salami.
What's the Portuguese sausage in Hawaii?
It's called linguiça, and it's a little bit spicy, quite fatty. It's delicious, and I miss it.
Yeah, we don't see.
Yeah, no,
Portuguese
not in
sausage.
stores. I have found it on Amazon, but it's very expensive. So dry salami works just fine.
I think that dish also came from the plantation too.
Yeah,
Many
definitely.
Portuguese people immigrated to Hawaii.
Yeah. Portuguese people, Chinese people, Japanese people, Filipinos, they were all in the same area living together. So obviously they mixed. It's a mix of Portuguese, Japanese, and Chinese, rice, and then eggs. I don't know where the eggs came from.
American.
Maybe.
Yeah.
And then you throw ketchup all over it.
Yeah.
Or at least that's how I eat it.
Yeah.
In restaurants, they'll give you a scoop of rice, a little bit of eggs, and then like big slices of Portuguese sausage, usually 3 or 4,
Yeah.
because it is quite heavy.
Yeah.
I like to mix that all together and then throw ketchup all over it and then mix it again, and it's delicious. And it doesn't sound good. So good. It's so good. And it's so comforting to me. Have you ever had it?
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you eat it?
Separately. And I always think no vegetables. Hawaiian breakfast, no vegetables.
No vegetables. No. It's very unhealthy.
Yeah, unhealthy, but somehow I got used to it.
Yeah. So for the Portuguese sausage, eggs, and rice, they have to cut up our salami. And this sausage is very oily. So I'm going to squeeze it and then grab it.
Or not touch it.
Yeah, and not touch it. Because I don't want my hands to be covered in oil, and then just blot it. Because there's already a lot of oil inside, because there are lots of fat deposits almost.
Yeah.
Because of salami. And for this one, you want it to have like little slices.
Yeah, it looks like Portuguese sausage.
Yeah, it does a little bit. I tried to do it the traditional Portuguese sausage way, you know, like this. But it's so small that it just doesn't.
Better this way.
Yeah. Okay, now that this is sliced, we'll just set that over here. We shall grab our burner, our egg, our mini fry pan. So we just need a little bit of butter, just a tiny bit. It's a non-stick, but the butter gives a nice flavor to the egg. Medium low is what we want. Grab a little bit like that and then throw it in there. It's scrambled eggs, but I cracked the egg right into the pan and then swirl it. Yeah. No, I'm just gonna crack it open.
You should.
Oh, no.
Hurry.
Oh. Okay, there we go.
You're so cute. Oh, pan.
And then you just swirl it. You want to keep it moving so that it scrambles for real. And then while that's cooking, grab your bowl. And the rice, this is my rice cooker. I live alone, so my rice cooker is very small.
So cute. Like this?
Yeah, and then it should be good, so let's turn that off. Because we can leave that in there and the heat from the pan will keep cooking the egg just a little bit.
Oh, not too hard.
Yeah, no, we don't want it too hard. I mean, I don't like dry scrambled eggs.
Okay.
So let's scoop some of our rice. You just, thank you, right on top. You take all of your sausage.
Oh, you don't fry?
No, because this is already cooked.
Yeah,
The salami is already cooked. If it was real Portuguese sausage, I would fry it.
Yeah.
Because it gives a very nice flavor. But salami you can eat straight. Might as well just use the rest of my ketchup.
Yep.
Then ketchup all over. And you can adjust how much ketchup you want. Because, I mean, if you use too much, it gets soggy. And then you just mix it all together.
That's how you eat.
This is how I eat it, yeah. Traditional Portuguese sausage, eggs, and rice, you have them kind of separate. But when I was in elementary school, this is how everybody ate it.
Oh, in Hawaii.
In Hawaii, yeah. School breakfast.
Breakfast?
Oh. Yeah, because sometimes my mom went to work very early, and the school would give us breakfast in the morning.
At the cafeteria?
At the cafeteria. And so all of my friends, we would sit together, and when it was Portuguese sausage, eggs, and rice day, 100% we would go for breakfast. And it was the best. Yay! Okay, now we have our bowls. So you can go ahead and scoop some. I'll have it for dinner sometimes. On the weekend, I might have it for lunch. Just whenever I feel like eating it.
When you miss home?
Yeah. It's also very fast and easy.
So, easy. So what if people would ask, what about like the regular sausage? Do you think the taste, salami, or the taste is closer to Portuguese sausage?
When you say Japanese sausage, I think of those little wiener type sausages.
Yeah.
Those don't work out.
Don't work out, yeah.
No. Because they're similar to hot dogs. And hot dogs don't work for this. You need something that has a little bit of fat and some spice and is a little bit not very soft. Not so soft.
True.
いただきます。
いただきます。
I always like to get rice, a little bit of egg, and then a piece of sausage.
Yeah, it does taste like Portuguese sausage and rice.
It's the closest I've been able to find.
美味しい. Yeah, it really does taste like Hawaii breakfast.
Yeah. And if you like spice, then you can change it for a spicy salami, a spicier sausage that you can fry up, or you can add hot sauce I know a lot of people that add hot sauce.
Hot sauce, yeah.
And because Portuguese sausage is originally a little bit spicy, the spice works well as well.
Finished already. Very good. Finish.
We finished. Finished. Yay.
美味しかった.
All done.
All done.
So simple.
Yeah.
But I'm still hungry.
Me too.
So now we are going to make our spam musubi.
Spam musubi. Yay.
We just noticed this,
Yeah.
but on the spam is a spam musubi. Ha ha ha. So we need our spam, and we need nori. In Hawaii, we just call it nori.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
was surprised when I first moved.
We need a knife and our cutting board. And then our rice off to the side. We gotta open that.
Okay.
Yeah. Open. Open.
Ooh.
It looks so gross. Oh, be careful.
I don't want to. Okay.
Okay, there we go. Smells like spam.
Oh, yeah.
Smells.
I can smell from here.
Yeah, it's very strong. So to get it out of the can,
Oh.
It looks so
Ew,
gross.
no.
It's not pleasant looking.
So this is pork.
This is pork that has been very, very, very heavily processed. And we fry it. Yep. You can put it in fried rice. You can put it in spam musubi. You can put it in eggs and omelets. When I was younger, we made like cup noodle and instant ramen. And we would put sliced spam.
That tastes.
And so for spam musubi, you want...
Yeah.
Well, it depends. If you really like spam, then go for a thick piece.
Yeah, yeah.
If you don't really like it,
Yeah.
you can use like katsu and stuff too. And hot dogs.
Azaria style.
Yeah. So like this is a good thickness. And then when you fry it, it'll get crispy.
So maybe half, 0.5.
Yeah, half a centimeter is
Yeah.
good. So then for the rest of it,
When I make many. And then potluck picnic. Yeah. It looks gross, but then
Yeah.
when you
fry
fry
it,
it,
it looks much better.
better and tastes better.
And it tastes better, yeah. It's a lot of salt, so be careful. It's not healthy.
We're making not healthy.
This is a non-healthy episode. Pork is very oily, so you don't need to add oil or anything.
Yeah.
Because oil will come out.
From the meat.
And you want to cook it on medium-ish. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Pick it up.
Good.
Oh. It gets a nice, like brownish red color. If you want it super crispy, cook it on high for a little longer.
How do you like it?
I like it a little bit soft.
I like crispy.
Oh, look at that.
Already. Oh, looks good.
It's similar to cooking bacon.
Bacon, yeah.
Oh, it smells so good.
Smells good.
Yeah.
Really.
It smells natsukashi.
Yeah. And then, yeah, the weather too.
The weather is beautiful.
And the smell.
And the smell.
Makes you
and
want
it's
to go
like,
to the beach.
yeah. And you have it, the crispiness that you like, then just take it off. Oh, oh, oh.
So good.
Yeah, just like that. And so I'm gonna put it on the plate. This one we're going to make with shoyu.
Shoyu, yeah. Put a little bit of shoyu.
Ooh. Ooh, that smells good.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. So
Okay.
like this.
Let's
A little
push
bit
that
darker.
to the side. There we go. We are going to use plastic wrap.
Saran wrap.
Saran wrap. There.
Okay.
One piece there.
If you are making this with your kids, it will be fun
Yeah.
too.
So we need rice. How much rice should we? Might be maybe.
Maybe a little bit. Maybe.
You can always add more later.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we gotta shape it. Ganbarimasu. You want it in about the size of the.
I'm making it different way. Like instead of doing this, I'm making
Square.
Yeah, too small.
Maybe a little too small. Maybe you need to flatten it just. I'm checking. Oh yeah, mine's okay. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Ta-da!
Yeah.
Yay! Our squares. I have a missing chunk, but that's okay. Okay. Then you just
Put the spam over.
right on top. Ooh, perfect size.
Okay.
And then if you want to reshape, just.
Ooh.
Oh, perfect!
Perfect.
Okay. Then we have our seaweed. Nori.
Nori.
So, take your nori. Oh. Why? Okay. Ooh. Ooh. That's good.
Is it? Okay. Nori tasting. Okay.
Nice flavor.
Try to make sure the nori tastes okay.
Yeah. That break was totally on purpose. Yeah. Meant to do that.
Yes.
Okay, so take your nori. Right on the center.
Okay.
I hope this bends okay. And then you wrap it.
Wrap it. Yay!
Ta-da! Ta-da!
Ta-da! Spam musubi.
Spam musubi. Here we have our spam musubi. Yay!
Looking good.
I forgot to do this, but in between the rice and the spam,
Spam.
you can put furikake, any flavor you like. But I forgot, so that's okay. You have your shoyu one.
Okay.
I have my regular
one?
one.
Ooh.
And the
Good.
nori softens too.
Yes.
Hopefully it doesn't fall all over the place, but itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
Oh, it's already falling apart. Ah!
Oishii.
Oh, I haven't had this in so long. This is so good. My rice is falling everywhere though.
Oishii. I haven't had this too for a while.
I forgot how good this is.
Very good.
It's so simple too.
Somehow eating spam musubi, eating outside, makes it the taste more delicious. I think. Oishii.
So good.
Oh no.
Oh no. ごちそうさまでした。
ごちそうさまでした。美味しかった。
It was delicious
Delicious.
and fun to make.
Mwah.
Thank you for watching episode 2 of Cooking in English with me, AJ and Junko. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.